What's up mga kabarkada? Tayo po nagbabalik sa pinabagong video ng Roblox. Tayo pa magkalaro ng Launch into Space. Okay, first one. Try na nga natin kung ano mangyayari. Ganun pala yun. Ano tayo? Bangalik na tayo nito. Nag-hatch daw tayo. Hatch a pet daw. Nangangalig na tayo ng mga star para makaabot tayo dun sa dulo. Yung moon. Yung swerte ko. Nakalakawad ako. Epic. First epic. First hatch. First hatch. Epic kagad. Dang. Naranasan nyo ba yun? Ako daan beses na naranasan yun. First hatch. Epic kagad. Okay, try natin. Whee! Tignan ko sa maabot to. Hanggang dito lang. Sa ano na tayo? At wala pa pala. Di pa pala tayo nakakalagpas sa Earth. Whee! Okay. Press button to unlock. High score natin, no? First high score natin yun. Yan, magkakolect tayo ng stars. 2 times yung stars na 150 tapos 300 yung magka 300 tuloy. 3k 200 lang tapos 3k yung FBN sa akin. Hatch nga tayo nito. Ay, bawal pala. You can afford this egg. Ano pa pambili ko dyan? Hatch nga tayo. Pangit. Ay, bawal pala to. Wala ko pwede. Box uli. May pangit. Kitang kita sa aura ng egg, oh. Pangit. Ay na, epic. Ito pa. Uli, sunod-sunod. Naranasan nyo yan? Naranasan nyo na ba yan? Epic, sunod-sunod. Ako, first time. Ay, joke lang. Hindi ko pala first time. Yung mga malalakas na laro ko ganun ako. 15k na, kaya na natin Ay, bawal pa ata. Yan, 2.5 na. Nag-ipon ako Nag-ipon ako. Mag-lunch na tayo sa moon. Saan ka punta? To the moon. Love trip. Brum brum. Skirt. Zoom. Teka lang. Tara. Saan ka punta? To the moon. Yan na. Whee! Ay, tat natin. Sobrang bilis, oh. Spaceship tayo. Spaceship na slingshot lang. Ang lakas ng mga slingshot na yan. Yun, nandito na tayo. Yun, nandito na rin. Uy, si Gojo. Ay, kala ko tapos na. New World pa pala. Kala ko yun lang. Kala ko tapos na yun May New World pa pala. Anong next na? Ayos naman. May 2k na tayo, Kala, mag-AFK lang ako. Okay, I'm back. So, I will use English today. Because many people don't understand me. They The foreigners can understand me. So let's draw. Let's see what we get, man. Space opus. Rock, okay. Think this might be good. Oh, the space octopus is good. It's auto-equip. If you get good, pet good, yeah. Medyo nabulol ako. Gawin natin to yung free gems na to. Okay. Okay, I will teach you. First, you like this, and you go to the community and join. Go back and redeem it. Yeah. Okay, nakakuha tayo. Oh, shit. I said Filipinos. Ay! So, I got 5 gauge and then 500 gems. We got this pet, bro. It's good. So, we can launch now, eh? Let's go to the ice world now. Okay, let's go. Here we go again. Tap. Tap, tap, tap. Yan, sobrang bliss. Nakahawak ako sa spaceship. Ba't dapat nasa loob ako niyan eh. Ba't na ako nakahawak? Let's go. Yan si Gojo na naman. Gojo Satoru. Yun, ice world na. Let's go. New unlock world. Let's go. Naging marunong ko mag-English dahil sa Roblox. It's me, bro. Some people use English. And I say Tagalog, so I don't understand. Then I use English. Now, I am good at English. Even I'm a kid. I am 11 years old. On May 6, I will be 12. Yeah. Oh, I can't redeem it because I already joined the group. Bruh. Let's just spin or hatch a pet. Oh, Arctic Puppy. Oh. But it's good, I think. Let's see. Wait. Is there a code in here? Can't find it. Oh, it's 50. We need 1 M, bro. We need 1 M to go in the dinosaur. Okay, magawa 1M na tayo. Ay, shit. I forgot. I promised to English. So where 1M? Now we go in. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the dinosaur world. Yeah. Let's go. Oh, wait. There's a lot. Oh. I thought it's the end, but there's a lot. I think we're gonna rebirth. We're gonna rebirth and get mythic times 1000. We're gonna get stronger. Forget that. Okay, skip natin. Oh shit. forgot to English again. Oh, it can't. Let's just hatch again. Okay, what we get? Oh, gold deer. But it's not good. Yeah. I want the epic, legend, mythic or divine. We want. We got 1M now, huh? Wait. But one. I think we have to get 2M. Oh, you need 1M money to rebirth. Then you go to dinosaur world. Oh, guys, sorry. I forgot to. Oh, wait, that's a reward 1.M 5. No, I think I forgot to record that. But I just keep launching until I get 1M. It gives me 400M, 400k. It gives me 400k to get. 3 launch, it's over. Now I rebirth and then I got this pet. 1000. Let's merge this. 4 times 400. Now we're good. I'm back to Star 1. I'm back to Star 1. Let's see if there are code. Wait. Okay. 100k likes. Let's see if this works. Okay, let's put it. Oh, where is it? Oh, shop. Go. Let's put it. Oh, it's wrong. Wait, we'll go back. 100k likes. Let's just type it. Oh, it's wrong again. It's 50k likes. And it's wrong. No new codes. It's all wrong. Bruh. Let's go lunch again. Let's go. Here we go again. New world, yes. So, naka 3 worlds na tayo. Oh, I'm using Tagalog now. I forgot to English. Okay. So, guys, dito the video. Dito na po nagtatapos ang ating video. Subscribe. Bye-bye. Meow.